So we're back working on this Tiguan. I've obtained a new latch from the dealer. There's the part number. And we're going to go ahead and install it. Looks fairly straightforward. Unplug the electrical plug. Now there is a little cable here that I see attached. And there's a plastic trim. Now we'll take these two 13mm nuts off and disconnect the electrical plug. So there's the latch removed, but there's a Houdini cable that clips into that plastic piece inside there. And this one's got another piece of plastic on here that's got to have something to do with it installation, because I see that's not on here. So that must be to aid in installation, because I had to wiggle that little ear out. Focus. See if I can figure this out. So if you trip the latches, if it was closed, and then pull this little plastic piece up, you can see that ear inside there. Sorry, can't see it. That plastic ear. Looks like this might actually hold it in place. Holds it in place so that you can attach that cable. See, that cable goes into that little ear inside there. Well, I'm going to go see if I can get it attached. Well, there's the latch reinstall. That cable is a bit of a challenge to get hooked up. I think just break this piece of plastic off. I'm going to leave it alone for now. I don't think that cover goes on. Let's see if it works. And open. Now this automatic button, I think, is for the sensing of your foot underneath. Let's try it. I don't know where it senses it. Well, let's put the trim back on.